Supreme Court of Pakistan decision on bail application of 489F 2024 SCMR 1596 489 FPPC dishonestly issuing a check bail grant of further inquiry. Complainant failed to provide specific detail about the alleged business transaction with the petitioner accused. Additionally, the complainant was unable to provide any receipt for the cash amount allegedly received by the petitioner. Question whether the check was issued towards fulfillment of an obligation within the meaning of section 489 FPPC was a question which would be resolved by the trial court after recording of evidence. Petitioner was behind bars since his arrest. Maximum punishment provided under the statute for the offense under section 489 FPPC was 3 years and the same did not fall within the prohibited clause of section 497 CRPC. Case of the petitioner squarely fell within the ambit of section 497 to CRPC, entitling for further inquiry into his guilt. Petition was converted into an appeal and allowed, and the petitioner was admitted to post arrest bail. Dishonestly issuing a check offense of scope, foundational element to constitute an offense under section 489 FPPC or the issuance of the check with dishonestly intent. The check should be towards repayment of loan or fulfillment of an obligation, and lastly that the check is dishonored offenses not falling within the prohibitory clause of section 497 CRPC. For such offenses, grant of bail is a rule and refusal is an exception. Registration of criminal cases may registration of other criminal cases against an accused does not disentitle him for the grant of bail if on merits he has prima facie case. For more vlogs on law, please watch videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.